Einstein's relativity, number 8. Doppler shift. Frequency shift is the most obvious phenomena, demonstrating that light's velocity is relative to the motion of the receiver. When an observer is approaching a light source, the light shifts blue. When the receiver is separating from the source, the light shifts red. What is most remarkable is that Doppler wrote his paper on color shift of binary stars in 1842. His work established that the approaching star was bluish and the separating star shifted towards red, demonstrating that light speed is relative. This was well known by Maxwell, Lorentz, de Sitter, Ehrenfest, and Einstein. In 2018, no one disputes this fact. I found a published article written by A.F. Mayers and R. Wayne regarding Doppler effect. The article can be found by going to the link that I have posted at the end of this video. The article from Cornell University describes a new relativistic wave equation that accounts for the propagation of light from a source to an observer in two different inertial frames. What is notable here is that the equation was essential to the validity of the presentation, in spite of the fact that color shift is obvious without mathematical equations. What were the forces that allowed scientists not to factor in Doppler effect 100 years ago? The Cornell article and equation is based on the primacy of the Doppler effect. In contrast to the special theory of relativity, it does so without the necessity of introducing the relativity of space-time. I agree. Light speed is relative, while space, length, width, depth, and time are arbitrary psychological dimensions having no characteristic that can be experienced with our senses. Physicality that we experience in 4 dimensions exists between the future and the past. We can have 4-dimensional memory or imagine the past and future. The physicality of the past and future exists in our imagination. Space-time is the aloof framework that allows us to describe the twist and velocity of energy matter. This is not to say that space is not occupied by electromagnetic traffic, matter, and gravitational force. But space-time is the conceptual framework wherein we can locate and describe the traffic and nature of the contents within. It's encouraging that a reputable institution is asserting this theory. However, the evidence is staring us in the face without extensive equations. As we approach a light source, its light shifts blue. As we separate from the source, its light shifts red. It's as obvious as blue sky and red sunset.